have you done?
Oh, I don't know whether this is poo or seaweed dirt.
Oh,
I've got some water in the car I can pour over it.
oh.
I just
Smell it. What does it smell like?
I would say it smells a bit like, you know.
Oh no. Oh no. Supposed to be a castle around here somewhere. There it is. Taking well.
They seem to have taken the castle in.
That sign. So this sign means that a man up ahead will offer you a large spoonful of dessert.
I'm always hoping for trifle.
I don't like cake.
There's colourful.
And I love jelly. Trifle is those two things combined. So it's like taking something I love and destroying it with something I hate.
And sponge.
Trifle is just
Sponge doesn't. Sponge goes squidgy.
It's disgusting. It's like eating sweet toilet roll. It's not pleasant. No one likes a trifle. Honestly, comment below. Do you actually like trifle? We seem to be rolling. Well, might be a little bit wobbly here, but what? What do you mean something beeping? What? Oh, don't tell me that. What's beeping? Oh. Oh, I forgot to turn off the drone controller. Welcome to the Mulranny. We'll go with. I think we're at Mulranny. It's got two different spellings on the map.
Well, one's Irish, that's why.
Well, after the disaster of the diarrhea sandals and the castle, which did not exist, what else happened?
It did exist. It was just covered in scaffolding.
Well, they'd taken it in. We decided to change tack and just pitch up here at Mulranny, which actually is a really interesting location because you can't see it here. Look at this drone shot. Look, that's what the ground's like around here. It's sort of like this, yeah, it's this crazy like, what's the, like delta like? It's got a weird landscape. It looks cool from above. As you can see, there's like a beach that way behind us, and then connecting, I should explain, we're out on like a peninsula. It's almost like a little appendix that comes out from the intestines
Gross.
of the Mayo coastline, and then there's like this bridge that reconnects, or this causeway that reconnects back to the Colon. What happens?
Pop the Pringle tube. I wanted to see if it would work, and it really did.
Well, that's a highlight of the week. If you look over my right shoulder, you'll see a man with a hat. Looks like he's on safari. Beyond him, you'll see the top of... Could you make more noise? You'll see the top of Croagh Patrick, which is the mountain I ran up this morning.
Blah, blah, blah.
So the video for that may come out before or after this, but we'll find out.
Is there
is
like
that.
a statue at the top of St. Patrick or any kind of like
No, there's
religious thing?
there's a church at the top.
Oh, the church.
Yeah, there's a church at the very top. And toilets.
You don't want to mix those two things up.
I'd step the holy water. Yesterday was good. Keem Beach. Keem Beach.
Keem Bay.
Keem Bay. Well, Keem Beach on Keem Bay. The beach is on the bay.
Oh right, I thought a bay meant a beach.
I don't know. You could have like a rocky. rocks.
Yeah, okay.
Is it a beach if it's...
Summer Bay, that's different altogether.
What?
Did not grow up watching Home and Away.
No.
Your loss.
I grew up out in the fields hitting thistles with a stick.
Nothing much has changed.
Yeah, Keem Bay, incredible.
This is my island in the sun.
Yeah, it looks. The road up to it's quite terrifying. It's like a cliff, almost a cliff road that drives way up high, right around, and then you come over the top, and then suddenly you just see it way down. So we sat down there for most of the day yesterday.
Last night, we went to your favourite chip shop.
Oh yes, Danola's. One of the best chip shops in the country. I waited 2 years to get another delicious cheeseburger. Now, Danola's does a cheeseburger, a nice soft bap, 2 burgers, and in between a really nice...
Cheeseburgers, double
cheeseburger, cheese, and in between onions. And that is the secret. Cooked fried onions with a really nice sauce.
And then there was the milkshake explosion.
Oh yes, and I came out of the chip shop. This lady, bless her, had just turned up to lift her chips. And for some unknown reason, she had a bag of chips in one hand, like with several things in it, and she was trying to carry like 2 cans of Coke and a milkshake, and just milkshake hit the ground, milkshake explosion, sprayed her on the street. People just stood there in silence looking at her, just judging her. This has been a unplanned little sit with Steve and this one. Here with this one, Louise. That's something
Hashtag blessed.
Hashtag blessed. I'm gonna go. This will give me a really cheap and easy video without having to put any effort into it to upload this week. So thank you for watching, and you can subscribe for videos that required effort.
Excuse me.
What do you want?
I want everyone to know how well my coat matches my trousers.
No one cares.
Some people will.